start as elections approach, drama and excitement will be a constant feature in the conduct of politics. In December last, it was veteran actor Rajnikant who provided the theatrics to the political situation in Tamil Nadu by announcing his entry, and then his exit. Now, with the assembly election hardly a month away, VK Sashikala, former interim general secretary of the All India Anna Dravid Munitra Kazhagam and aide of former Chief Minister Jayalalitha, surprised many by declaring that she would step aside from politics. After mobilizing her supporters and making a political show of her return to the state on serving out her jail term in Bengaluru, she issued an appeal to the true followers of Jayalalitha to remain united, act wisely and work hard during the assembly election to prevent the Dravid Munitra Kazhagam from capturing power again. There is no clarity over what prompted her to make such an announcement when it was expected that she would play an active political role, going by her observations in the last 1 month. But regardless of her motives, the latest statement can be viewed as a tactical retreat on her part so that the ruling AIDMK does not suffer any disadvantage in the elections. Although her nephew, TTV Dhanikaran, who heads the Amma Makkal Munitra Kazhagam, is still hoping to lead a coalition of his own, her statement is a shot in the arm for the AIDMK, which is trying to ward off the challenge from the principal opposition, the DMK. It has also laid to rest, for the time being, the debate over the possibility of her return to the AIDMK, which was reported to have turned down a suggestion from its ally, the Bharatiya Janata Party, on the matter. What the ruling party expects now is that the AMMK's support base in the central and southern parts of the state will come back to it and help the party win the assembly elections. There is expectation that the gap between the AIDMK-led front and the DMK-led coalition will narrow down, especially if some of the loyalties in the Sasikala camp are accommodated during distribution of the tickets by the AIDMK. But, elections rarely turn on any one factor, and certainly not on the limited support base of the breakaway group of Miss Sasikala. On test will be the performance of Chief Minister Edapadi K. Palaniswamy in the last 4 years. Personality-based politics has taken a back seat this election with the passing of M. Karunanidhi of the DMK and Jayalalitha of the AIDMK. Performance and promises are, therefore, more likely to dominate the campaign.